Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the common red fish in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me open up my collection and I'm going to open my fish observation. And this is how the common red looks like, and I'm going to show you the detailed information about this fish. Okay, basically you can catch this fish in any weather condition during the sunny days or rainy days or the rainbow event. And for the location, you can catch this fish from Suburban Lake, and you can go to your map first if you want to track the Suburban Lake. Okay, there are four areas, guys. Oops, sorry, not four, but three areas of the Suburban Lake right here and also here. Right now, I'm at the Suburban Lake near the bus stop, and also this one. Okay, you can catch the fish from the Suburban Lake. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the common redfish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.